won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life, a vivid sheen, my funded futures, light the way.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Whoa! We should have started this stream right beforehand. Gold just went from 02 to freaking 12. How is everybody tonight? Welcome to the Asia session. No better session here with MyFunded Futures. Phenomenal session here. I look to buy gold here anywhere between the 88 and 02 level if it gets back down there again. 15 just reversed to buy. These metals are completely insane. What's going on, everybody? Let's do it. Hello from Holland. How are you? 487 francs. Anybody new? Please text me 914-500-7484 if you want access to my 5-day free trial here. All right. Silver, caboose, just rallied $1. Silver, gold should get another big push up here. Deeply oversold. Look to sell this gold anywhere from the 95 to even range here. If it gets up there, should get a push up here. There goes the gold. There goes the gold. There goes the gold out at 02, 03. There it goes. Wow. MyFunded Futures, the best prop firm out there. And boy, oh boy, is there a huge announcement tomorrow. Got it? Okay. Yep. There is a huge announcement tomorrow. Make sure you tune in at, I believe, 10 a.m. Okay, look at this gold just rally, 88 to 10. Are you crazy? Fill the coolers. It's over. Huge, right? Get in there, Hitman. Anyway, can you guys see my charts? First of all, silver just rallied $1, the same pattern as gold. But tomorrow, MyFunded Futures. Okay, let me ask you. Okay. MyFunded Futures here. Let's see here. 10 o'clock tomorrow. Let me just confirm with Denny if it's 10. I want to make sure. 10 a.m. I want to make sure. 10 a.m. tomorrow. Oh, my God, gold. 88, gold just rallied 40 in one bar. Silver just rallied $1.60. Where's the bull sound? Yes, I caught the move on Friday. I prayed to the good Lord that the market, I would short this gold to 30, 29 and a half up to 43 and a half, 44 and a half. You got to go wide. Where's the bull noise? Oh my God, look at that move. What a long R&R, right? What a long. What a long on the gold. 88 up to 31. Whew. Can you all hear me? Can you see my charts? Everybody? Come in, Manila. All right, silver, if silver gets up to the 83 to 83, 65, 70, gold's dropping, I would lower your stops here. Biggie, can't you see? Anybody new, please text me if you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream. I hope you got that long on the gold.
I did.
I hope damn straight you did. Okay, kaboom! Bear Trader, it's not kaboom. It's K-A-B-O-O-O-M. Kaboom, you're missing an A. You're missing an A in there, kaboom. All right, let's go. All right. Anyway, tomorrow, 10 a.m., you got to be there. MyFunded Futures TV. Lower your stops on gold. Lower your stops on silver. Oh, my God. Silver just pushed up above 83. I just got 83.16. Jeffrey, anybody get the short on gold and silver? Oh, my God. Hey, everybody. Nice to be here tonight. Please. at 10 a.m. You better tune in. There's a special. How do I get the 5-day free trial? Not to my live stream. Just text me 914-500-7484. Hey, Lev, what's going on? What a long, Alexa. What a long. Now it's a short into the negative MACD. Silva just dropped about 40 cents. Where's my live stream? Where's my peoples here? Where's my peoples here? Jeff, you get the gold? Anybody? Jeffrey, thank you for the comment. Okay. Where's my peoples? Look at the gold drop. You short the gold?
I did not.
Why were you not short the gold? You're 3 feet behind me.
I was trying to just do trades. I'm trying to figure out how to do the.
What do you mean you're doing trades? What are we here to do? Paint the ceiling? I don't get it. I mean, I'm being serious. I call the range in gold 29.5 to 43.5. Okay. Gold gets up to 33.34 and it just got cabooshed. How are you not taking the short? Okay, whatever. Anyway, Michael, I'm telling you, you asked, right? You asked, you want to learn, right? I'm teaching you.
Yes.
You said in the car, you said to me, I'm going to do 100 trades tonight. Practice, okay? So you got to, let's go. Engage, Maverick, okay? Settle up. Let's go, Mikey Jacques. Mikey Jacques, what's up, everybody? All right, please, tomorrow, a big, huge announcement, 10 a.m. Be there at MyFundedFutures TV, MyFundedFutures YouTube. Be there or be square. Let's go. Right, Michael? Right?
Yep.
Okay, I call a range. You caught the long, and on the sell divergence, you should have caught the short, right?
Yes, I'm trying to figure out how to close only half the positions out on the DOM because I only know how to do it in the bracket.
Or the way you do that is you put bids in, and then you lower your stop. There's no button say close half my positions. It's either close all or you bid, right? So if you're short 10 micros and it drops 15 or 12, you want to cover. You know, you're short 10, you cover 5, and then you lower your stop, right? Right or wrong?
I understand the process.
There's no button to say cover half positions.
But do you have to put
you have to put bids in if you're short.
All right.
If your mentality is that you want to cover half the position, okay, you go, okay, you can just go click, 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 market and buy them on the number of contracts you want. You could bid, but that's it. The machine can't read your mind, okay? What's up, everybody? Okay, nice short on gold. Hey, Sam. Everybody welcome Sam N. Sam N, are you new? I think Sam N is new. All right. Okay, let's go, people. Let's go. Meanwhile, freaking gold rallied 40, dropped 15. The S&P's moved $1.50. Go figure. NASDAQ just moved about 14, right? This is why the metals markets, you know, I'm not patting myself on the back or anything, but I guess I'm in this game almost 44 years come August 1st. But so many people now are on the internet saying, oh, you got to trade the Asian markets in gold. Are you bananas? Are you bananas? Really? Are you bananas? MyFundedFutures, please, Luke and I, enough is enough is right. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. We're going to be having 10 giveaways tonight. Okay, 10 giveaways. We're going to do them at 9:50. So please register. You need a MyFundedFutures account. Okay, you need a MyFundedFutures account. All right. Okay. Okie dokie. Okay. All right. All right. Let's see if we get this push up. I want to see silver get to 90. Oof. Okay. Let's see if we get another push up here. Short the world, NASDAQ and S&P. Soon on the 30-minute time frames. Unbelievable. The S&Ps were down 35. Hey there. Hey, Trading for Keeps. What's going on, everybody? Hey, Zil from Finland. What's up, my brother? What's up? Long, then short, then long. I wouldn't have taken a long there. I think gold's a short. If this gold gets up to the 33 to 48, I'd short it. You got to go wide. Minus 14 in Virginia. Oh, my God. That crazy governor. Oof, she's nuts. Unbelievable. Wow, look at this gold shoot up. Oh, my God. Gold up 180. What's platinum doing? What's platinum? Platinum's got to be up. Oh, yeah. Knew it. Platinum was touching below 2,000 at one point. Right here. You're going to get a nice little bear flag and then a cabooshin. You're going to get a cabooshin on these metals. See if this silver can get to, where's the 10 bar here? Where's the 10 bar? 90. Oh, my God. I love it. Gold, I'd be scaling into shorts here. Yes, Johnny, into the negative MACD. All right, this gold drops anywhere between the 26.5 and 36.5 range. I look to cover shorts. Here we go. Here we go. Dropping. Silver, same thing. Silver gets up to the 83.35, 83.40, up to 84.10. I would look to short silver. Unbelievable. So silver and gold and the metals had the worst historic day ever. So basically, in my 43 years, you saw one of the most horrific declines. Only 10% liking the stream. Come on, we got 300 people here tonight. Let's go. Look at this gold. Off that gold, off that 5 minute. So that strategy basically, okay, I'll show you the strategy here on the gold. Okay, I'll show you the strategy on the gold. So if you look here, right, if you look here, you can see that the, I show this to you here. Let me just. So if you see here, you can see that gold right now, all right, is in a bullish trend on the 60. And then on the 30-minute time frame, you can see my indicator 4 is bullish here on the 30. And then here's the killer right here is when the 15-minute time frame right here reverses to buy. And then what do you look to do? You take the first pullback on the 5-minute time frame. Look at this Picasso. Look at this gold. 47.96 to 48.61. That is unbelievable pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4 bars. You can see that gold rallied here. 47.88 just rallied about 77 points. Unbelievable long. First pull 5 to 50. Unbelievable move. Unbelievable. All right. If you got stopped here, I would short it again. 65 up to 80 range. 60 up to 85, 80 range. Silver, actually, it did drop though, but we'll see. This gold should drop here. Where's silver? Like to see this. Again, you got to go wide, and you got to, because now gold is in a positive trend. Now gold should start dropping here because you're pushing up here. Here we go. Gold got up to 71 here. This thing should drop at least another 8 to 10. Gold up 200. And so you think silver would be up big, of course. Well, we'll see. Gold's dropping here. Jesse Wang, how are you, Jesse Wang? Now, again, if you look at gold, you can see the non-confirmation here on the 5. Here's the 15. This is a really great pullback right here. This pullback is monstrous. Gold's dropping here again. All right. So basically, when the 15 reversed to buy, it correlated with the 30 and 60-minute time frame. Here goes the gold dropping. Great job, JSTOR has made 500 on the gold. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold. If gold ticks here at 41, it'll be down 30. And then the strategy here now is to buy the pullback on the 15, but we got to watch it. Positive MACD here. Then you can see how gold right here touched the, look at this, 44.23. That guy jumped. So now you want to get the gold to get to an oversold, overbought condition into this negative MACD. So I'm looking for a bear flag. This gold could get up to the 5,000, 5150, but there's a ton of overhead resistance here. A ton of overhead resistance here. Right? I caught a lot of the shorts on Friday. Yeah, I caught the longs too. There was a lot of opportunity to go long on Friday too on gold. Had a really decent day on the gold. Trading the GLDs a lot though. Trading the GLDs. Well, that's Ninja. And again, for anybody who's new here, please tune in to MyFundedFutures YouTube tomorrow, the MyFundedFutures TV at 10 a.m. There is going to be a monster, a monster announcement. Just made 750. There you go. Okay. 5 micros at one shot. When it went to 71, I would have probably sold more. You know? All right. See if this gold. I think this gold. I want to see the silver get up here. Okay, you guys, MyFunded Futures competition. Any idea? Nope. I know what it is, but it's going to be a monster. Nope. I'm not saying. But you guys got to be there tomorrow. Monster announcement. I short this gold again, 65 up to 80, 85, 82 here. Okay. Is the news tomorrow? I think it's going to be a blockbuster news. Absolutely. Let's go. Biggie. Can't you see? Wow. Unbelievable. Silver short 84.35 up to 85.10, 84.40 to 85.20. I say Seattle by 4 or Seattle by 8. You believe more in 4,900? I can't give a hint. It's not right. No way. Great job, Sam Murda. God bless you, Sam Murda. That's what I'm talking about, my brother. Sam, you got to come pay a visit, brother. Let's go. You have $1 on the Pats? Huh. Awesome. Like this gold's pushing up, silver's pushing up. Great job, Sam Murda. Really proud of you, my brother. All right, gold dropping. Great job, Sam Murda. Very proud of you, my brother. Gold pushing up. Silver's pushing up. All right, gold, I would lower your stops if you're short. Silver, I would lower your stops. I would cover silver between the 30 and 50 range. Now, silver reversed to buy on the 30-minute time frame. Oof, let's go. NASDAQ was a short. Anybody? Mikey Jacques. Do you see NASDAQ as a short, Nike Jacques? I wasn't even looking at NASDAQ. Okay, if you look at NASDAQ, you can see NASDAQ right here. Mikey Jacques making new highs right here. Just got kabooshed. Look at this. Just dropped 18. Making new highs to non-confirmation, Mikey Jacques. You see that? Let's see what the silver's doing here. Silver's a short here again. 95. If you got the short, drop down to 55. I was short like 84. 95 on silver to 85.65. All right, gold and silver should drop here. Gold and silver should drop. Now, the 30-minute time frame on silver reversed to buy. So the pullback on the 15. There goes silver dropping. Look at gold. You short gold?
Yep.
Okay. There you go. There you go. Mikey Jacques, you see the short on the NASDAQ futures, non-confirmation? There you go, Iceman. Johnny Walker Black, baby. Right? Everybody, please sign up for the raffle tonight. And again, I'm going to say this all night long. There is a huge announcement tomorrow on MyFundedFutures. Please be there and watch it. Okay? 10 a.m. Okay? 10 a.m. Make sure you tune in to MyFundedFutures YouTube. There is a special announcement. It's huge. Gold's dropping. Silver's got kabooshed. What's up, Shally J? What's that? NKD's up 3%. Ah! The announcement will be SK will be co-owner. Oh, I love it. I love it. You know, I'm just so blessed to be here. I love it. You know, last night I just decided to go down for like an hour and a half too. I'm just so blessed to have to be part of MyFundedFutures. I'm telling you right now, the greatest prop firm out there, hands down, hands down. As you know, I'm not an affiliate or anything like that, but I do really enjoy being here. I love the fact that all of you have embraced the trading of gold and silver. Gold again, silver 90, 84, 97, up to 85.67. I would look to short it. You know, do you know that gold last night traded? I short this gold again here, 48.75 to 48.93. Do you? Yeah, 10 a.m. Eastern. Please be there. Big special announcement. Do you know that gold traded down to 44.20? I swear to Jesus, if I was up, I would have bought the world. Bought the world. Absolutely bought the world. You know, there goes silver up. Gold and silver should drop here. Wow, look at this silver go. See if this silver should get a pullback here. Silver should get a pullback here. You have to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and sign in before silver. If you're short, look to cover below 71, 72 here. I'm sorry, gold, that is. Silver, you need to cover anywhere between the under the 84.95 and 85.25 on silver. I'm here, baby. I'm here. That's it. Where am I going? I love this game. Look at this gold get kabooshed. Tell me you're short.
I have been. Yeah. I've been.
Look at this gold. Silver, look to lower your stops if you're short. MyFundedFutures being bought out by Top Step? I don't think so. Gold dropping here. Wow, look at the silver drop. Look at the gold just drop. You guys got to be there tomorrow, 10 a.m. You guys got to be there tomorrow, 10 a.m. Use your now. Wow, look at this gold drop. Look at this silver. Mikey, Jacques, Jeff, get in there. Where's Jennifer? I'm shorting gold and silver. You got the gold. Look at the silver, Jeff. It just dropped 70 cents. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wowsy, wowsy, wowsy. There's going to be a big announcement tomorrow. Big announcement. No, Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Anybody get the short in silver? Anybody get the short in gold? You short the? Are you short the gold?
Yep.
All right. Lower your stops. Wow, look at the gold drop. Look at that gold drop. Wow. One micro, that's it. Get in there, Jennifer. Good job. All right, silver just got kaboosh. Gold just dropped. Look at the silver, just dropped $1. Okay, the double blue, you take the short, looking for the pullback. That's a great short right there. That's a great short on gold and silver. Great short. Good job, James Robertson. Brinks, great job. Let's go, baby. Oh, my God. Gold absolutely kabooshed. It doesn't matter. What a short. What a long on that pullback on the 5-minute. What a long on that gold. Another little bull flag sitting up here on gold and silver. Right. All right. Big announcement. Why would I get a Kaboosh Palantir? It's up big. It's up about $11 after hours, right? PLTR. Right? PLTR is up big. right? Nice little bull flag setting up here. We talking copper? I think silver is the pullback on the long. I agree on the double blue here. If this silver gets down to the silver gets down to the 83.65 to 84.35, I would take a long on silver here. You got to go wide. I really would like to see this is a double blue buy. This silver is going to push up here. Down $6,800. Why are you down $6,800? What are you, crazy? What? Then he's down 6,400? No. Oh, I think this Bitcoin's going up 65,000. I agree with the pullback on. I don't know if we're going to get the pullback back here down to 33 again. All right, we're going to do the raffle again. We got about 17 minutes for the raffle to close. So please, please, please sign up. You need a MyFundedFutures account. You need a MyFundedFutures account in order to win the raffle here. It doesn't matter. And for those of you, again, you better be there tomorrow, 10 a.m. Huge announcement, MyFundedFutures. Be there, 10 a.m. on MyFundedFutures YouTube TV. There goes the gold and S&P. There goes the NASDAQ gets down to the 35.55 range. I look to buy it. Raymond Antonio, is that your name? $9,800 USD this morning, 14,000 in prop firms. Great job. Day is over for me. OVA. East of Wanju. Over. OVA. Oh, this pullback. It just ran 70 cents here on silver. See if this silver can get one more push down. Oh, yes. How are you, my brother? How's everything? Oh, my God. I'm pooped. I'm pooped. So you'll get one more push up here. You have to sign up top. There's a link, okay, to sign up for the drawing, and you have to have a MyFundedFutures account. Okay, or else you can't win. If you win and you get no email attached, okay, you get kabooshed. Okay, you get kabooshed. Hey, Yellow Van Coin, I'm doing good. Got a visit next week? I don't know if you want. And anybody new that wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you can text me at 914-500-7484. I give you access to a 5-day free trial to my live stream. Let's go, Silva. From Globex entry, silver would be up 21,000. Silver, I think, was trading below 68 at one point today. I think the low, no, about 71, I think. No, maybe 68. I think silver today was trading below, right here. 71.20. All right. Again, silver, if it pushes down to the 83.65 to 84.35, I would look to buy it there. Blowing account, you're done. What are you blowing your account on? What are you blowing your account on? Oh, so one big one. Oh yeah, it's 5,000 a point. So if you bought silver here, let's say you bought silver here. Okay, what time is this? You bought silver here. Just say you bought a silver at 81, 82, and you sold silver here. You're talking right there is about 18,000. Nasdaq just got kabooshed. Oh, silver. And again, anybody, please remember we have, here goes the silver pulling back. Look, 25 to 39.40. You can scale out or wait to buy it again here. If it gets down to the 55 to 65 to 25 range on silver. Silver should get another push up here on the 5. Now, the problem with silver, the 15-minute time frames are starting to roll over here. Okay? Silver's dropping. Oh, my God. Look at this silver. What a short up there. Oh, my God.
I'm short the gold right now.
You're short gold? Be careful. I would cover. Okay. Look to scale out any silver here. 90 up to 25. Oh, my God. Look at the silver right back up. Oh, my God. Traded right up. Look at this silver right back up to 18, 19, 20. Oh, my Lord. Look at this silver. 12. I just saw 18, 19, 20 before. He had 27 out. Look at that. Boom. Wow. What? I was waiting on this drop and come on. Come on, silver right back up on the silver in the range. Hitman, get in there, Hitman. Get in there, Hitman. Look at this rally in silver. Silver and gold, silver and gold. I remember when I first introduced gold and silver to people, they're like, what's that? Oh my God, I never traded gold before. So I said, okay, make believe you're trading water. Capiche? Right? Silver, 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 can't you see? Sometimes their moves just hypnotize me. Yes, sir. All right, 8 minutes to sign up for the raffle. 8 minutes. We're going to do 10 giveaways tonight. I want you to go to, when you're later, I want you to go to MyFundedFutures, and so I will need you to set up an account. Okay, so you hear me? You're not buying them. You're going to set up an account to be part of the raffle. Okay?
You want me to do it right now?
No, you do it at 10 o'clock when we're out of here. So that's one of your homework assignments.
Okay.
Okay? So what you want to do at the end of the night is create, if these S&Ps get down to the 10 and a half, 11 and a half, 16 and a half, I'd be a buyer. NASDAQ, if NASDAQ gets down to the, I would say the 30 to 50 range on the NASDAQ. So where's the link? You got to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube and get the link. Silver, if it drops down to the 82.90, 83.60, I would be a buyer in that. Gold should get one more push up to a lower high. MACDs are negative on the 5. Do your homework. I'm a long on silver and gold. The New York session. Gold long. It just traded up from 42. I'm not going to chase it now. I'm not going to chase it now. He's got homework. Michael's got homework. Michael's from Arizona. It could have been a debacle. I told Michael I live in Palm Beach, right? Flying into PBI or Fort Lauderdale. But if you could, try to come to Palm Beach. Next thing I know, I get a text. I'm going to be landing in Palm Springs. I'm like, wait a minute. Palm Springs and Palm Beach, I believe, are on not the same, right? And I called him. I said, Michael, I live in Palm Beach. And thank God, right before he got on the plane, he changed his flight to Palm Beach instead of Palm Springs. Good job. There goes the gold right back. Silva. Michael Lasami, just text me, 914-500-7484. You're in Palm Beach. You're in Florida, come text me. Wrong coast, you ain't kidding. There goes the gold. Gold's up 13. There goes the silver. The two different parts of the world. Yeah, my good buddy James Robertson, 3,000 miles away. He's right. Oh my God, where are these stocks going? Where are these stocks going, really? Oh, this thing's going to go higher. 397. Palm Beach, Florida. Yes, sir. I love it here. I've never been to Palm Springs. I hear it's beautiful. No, I've never been, Sun Bear. And gold long just ran 16, so I'm not chasing it now. Silver just kaboomed. Wow, look at the gold. Gold just ran 20. Wow, look at the silver go. Look at the silver go. Nice little long on the 5 minute. Who said the 5 minute gold? That was a good one. Yeah, but it's hot, but you don't feel it, right? In the Palm Springs, right? That's what I heard. Scalp short on what? Gold? I don't know. I got to see. Probably. Anyway, so all of you who are new here tonight, if you like access to my 5-day free trial, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Gold to 5,000. Yeah, I agree. And then to 4,300. I totally agree. You want to short the gold on an overbought condition on the 5. So if gold gets up to, I would say if gold gets up to 75, 78 to 93, 90, 93, I would look to short it. Then once gold hits 4,300, I think you buy the world. I think you buy the world. GLDs are going to gap up 20 points in the morning if they stay like this.
The restrooms aren't locked, are they?
No, no, sir. Space Moon Vision. Where do you think silver goes, Space Moon Vision? Well, the good thing is that silver now reversed the buy on the 30. It doesn't matter. Space Moon Vision. Where do you think silver goes? All right, 9 o'clock. The raffle is officially closed. Catnip, what are you doing? Come on. Catnip. It's WDC. Oh, yeah. Where the hell is this SanDisk? SNDK on the daily. 533. Oh, my God. 82.5. Oh, Jesus. 200 points above the 10-bar weighted moving average. Insane. Look, this, nobody wanted this stock. Look at this. Back in 25 at $50 a share. More than a year later, 665, 682 actually. Catnip, if you need help, it doesn't matter, Mr. Freeze. Catnip, if you need help, text me 914-500-7484. I'll be very happy to help you. Catnip. $48.30-ish to go long. You got to wait for a pullback on the 15. All right. NASDAQ just dropped, since I've been in here, NASDAQ dropped roughly about 80 points off the high, about 70. S&Ps hit that high of 21. So when the S&P futures hit the high of 21 and the NASDAQ futures on the new high, you can see that these MACDs did not confirm. 23, kabooshed. Look at the NASDAQ futures. Again, non-confirmations. Really. You're making new highs here on the NASDAQ, and the MACDs are not confirming on the 15 and on the 5-minute time frame. This is a Picasso here. All right. I think the NASDAQ can get a buy here between the 20 and 40 range. S&Ps anywhere between the 09 and a half to 14 and a half range. Gold should get another push up here. What a short on this. So look at this. Oh my God, 50 down on the NASDAQ. Silver should set up another long here. Silver just ran 20. Gold could pull in here one more time. Oh, you're very welcome, Barbara Barrett Beige. Thank you. I'd like to see silver get to 91, 94. So if you're looking at silver, you can see here, if you get these dailies to turn up like this, the silver might even go higher than 90. But the problem here with silver, look at the daily, these negative MACDs here. So even if you did get a push up in silver and you get overbought into this negative MACD, I think silver could set up, I'm thinking, like a bear flag right to like 95, anywhere from 92 to 96. And then I think it gets kabooshed. That's what I think that pattern is going to do right there. Right? There goes the gold right back up on the gold. There goes the silver. See if this gold gets down to the see if these 15s. I think this is where the silver is going to go here. Can you imagine silver 119 down to 68? What a bloodbath. I think the S&Ps are going to get some type of a monster pullback the way gold and silver did. I think it's going to come out of left field. I really do. And I think if the S&Ps drop and they close the gaps down to 5,600, 5,700, you buy the world. Mr. Darth Peppy. That's what I think. Iceman, to each his own, right, my brother? Iceman. Silver gets down to the 82.90 to 83.60. I would be a buyer. Mr. Darth Peppy, if you ever want to text me, 914-500-7484. NASDAQ. Oh, NASDAQ, I think if we get that, it could go to 16,500, 17,000 on the NASDAQ. I think it can get there. Can you guys hear me? I think my internet might have went down. Come in, Manila. Test. Anybody can hear me? Anybody can hear me? Oh boy. I think my internet went down.
chat. As you can see, we have our graceful host. He shall be back. Stream game. No, I'm not playing the game. Not streaming. I'm working. You want me to tell you a scary story? Here, I'll tell you a scary story. So, I made my money tonight, right? I made my $5,000 on silver. This is not financial advice, by the way. No financial advice for any of y'all. I made my $5,000 on Globex for silver, right? So, I decided, oh, you know what? Let's get into another trade. And you want to know what the best thing ever was? I got in on a paper trade. And I did 100 contracts. And I lost $1 million. $1 million. If anybody's seen Austin Powers. Who has seen Austin Powers here? I got addicted to silver. Yes, I have. And it is the best thing to trade in my opinion. My opinion, not financial advice. All right, Steven is back. I'm going to give him back over to y'all. Y'all have a good day.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Denny. Sorry, I got kabooshed.
Yeah, just call me when you're done, Steve.
All right, thank you.
I'll
Okay.
Put everything back for
All right,
tomorrow morning.
thank you. Bye-bye.
All right.
I look to buy this silver here anywhere between the 82 and 82.80 on silver. Oh, there goes the gold. I'm back. I got kabooshed. I absolutely got kabooshed. Gold dipped below 4,800. So I just got absolutely kabooshed. Look at this. All right, this silver, if this gold gets down to the 47.77 to 47.91, 47.77 to 47.91, I look to buy the gold here. You're going to get this again, the silver, same pattern here. Same pattern on silver. Now the 30 is reversed here. Come on, I want to get this thing. I'm back, everybody. All right. Thank you again for Denny for helping me out here. I got kabooshed. Let's see here. There goes the silver right back up. Nice long off the 5. All right, just ran about 60 cents here. Come on, baby. Give me 90. Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ long. S&Ps and NASDAQ long off the 15-minute time frame. Wow. S&Ps ran 5. NASDAQ just ran about 25, 30. On the NASDAQ, there you go. Kamika Marie, there you go. That's a great long. Again, that's the 15-minute time frame getting oversold there on the index futures. The Qs and the S&P futures. Gold just went from 91 up to 15. Silver, it just rallied $1. I'm sorry, about 90 cents. I'm back, Ice Trader. Tea Trader. I'm back. Hey, Soberest, how are you? Did everybody sign up for the raffle tonight? Okay, the drawing closed at 9. Oh. Wow, look at this gold. Oh my God. I would short some gold up here. 48.24 to 36.38 range. If it gets up there. You get the negative MACDs. You caught the long on the silver. That's a great job. 5-minute got deeply oversold. The algo reversed to sell. Got down to 81. Great job. NASDAQ short. Yep, I think the NASDAQ would be a short, but a little higher up. Oh, wow. Gold right back down. Damn it. I had the right idea. All right. I canceled the short. NASDAQ just dropped about 10. So I would, okay. So for all of you tonight, please go and check out MyFundedFutures TV at 10 a.m. tomorrow. There is a big, mucho grande announcement. So when you have the negative MACDs here, okay, when you have the negative MACDs here, all right, on the 5-minute and the algo reverses to sell and the 15s are turning down, you get the push up on price, you take the short. Silver just dropped 39 cents. That's a great strategy right there. NASDAQ just got cabooshed 11. NASDAQ. Gold is along. Not yet. It will be off the 15. Wow, gold got absolutely cabooshed there. NASDAQ, nice short on the NASDAQ. If you got it, just dropped about 16, 17. This is the silver short. Wow. Silver, 89. Everything had the same identical pattern. Silver, gold. Look at the gold. I was 23. Gold just got cabooshed. It's 91 up here. So gold rallied 29, and then got kabooshed about, oh my God, gold just dropped 23, I mean. All right. Again, with those negative MACDs like this, and you get the push up in the price, it's a short. You see that? Okay, Pac-Man. So not only do you have the negative MACDs here, you have the 15s turning down. So when the price, oh my God, look at this gold. Look at these S&Ps. Look at this NASDAQ. Look at the NASDAQ. Good Lord. Look at this beautiful. See again, the 15s are turning down. The MACD negative, the push up here. Boom. Look at this NASDAQ. 52. This dropped 27. Look at the gold drop. Look at the gold drop. What a short on that. Missed it by 3. All right. If gold gets down, Jesus, ran $20. If this gold gets down to the 62.77, no, you don't just look at the 5. Okay, 62 to 77, I look to buy the gold. Now this gold should get one more push up. Now gold, since it reversed to buy on the 15, you did not get a, I think you got a nice little bull flag sitting up here on gold. Just ran 19 off the low. You want to wait for the 15 to get oversold? Catnip, good job. So if you bought at 91, I mean, and it trades down to 76.6, don't you think you should be buying it? And I would be scaling out of longs here if you bought above 91 right now. I'd be scaling out of longs here. Our fifth ARIFTRS. It doesn't matter. Silver, a gold just ran 23. Put the silver up. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody new? Should we fill the coolers? It's you fill the coolers. Well, the MACDs on silver on the 4-hour. Let me see. I don't even know if I can get a 4-hour here. Sinister Scalper, how are you? What a short. Here's the long, and you push up right here. Just drop the whole penny on silver. I'd be looking to buy, oh my God, silver here, 81.90 to 82.60. What session is this? All right, 9:30 here. Oh my God, you're going the wrong direction, silver. That's why I called this short here. 83.89. Just dropped $1.50. NASDAQ just got absolutely cabooshed, 52 to 25.
And gold is push up right now.
Not yet. It should. I mean, if gold gets down to the 62.77 range, I would buy it. Be patient. It should get one more push. Silver, if you're long, look to sell between 82.50 and 82.80. The delay bothers. How much is the delay? How much is the delay here? Anybody? Come in, Manila. There goes the gold. There goes the silver. There goes the silver. Davidson, how are you? S&Ps. NASDAQ just dropped about 27. What'd they do you wrong about? All right, there goes the silver. Gold just rallied 30, 25 off the lows. These 15s are going to turn up here. You got a beautiful bull flag here on silver and gold. These 15, I wouldn't be surprised if this gold gets back up near the highs. $15 to 30, 10 to 15 seconds. 5 seconds. All right. Thank you. Oh, silver just got kabooshed. You're going the wrong direction, silver. Silver, I'd be buying here again. Look to scale out any longs between 82.30 and 50. Hey. It's all, I mean, discretionary. I mean, trading's an art, right? Trading's an art. And that's what's the most important thing. You can't look at it upon science. Hamid, is it really 10 seconds? I think the silver is going to get another big push up off the 15s. Huh. Where's silver's high? Silver, I'd be scaling out the longs above 40. Gold just rallied 24. I'm just trying to think here. Anybody get the long on the silver on that? No? All right. Gonna see. All right, there goes the silver and gold. Wow, S&P is down 11, 12 off the highs. NASDAQ futures, 25,000, about 990, kabooshed. Hey, Jennifer, how are you? All right, we have the raffle in 15 minutes. So, again, you guys who didn't sign up for the raffle, mort. Forget it, it's over. S&Ps should get one more push up here. NASDAQ should get one more push up here. Deeply oversold. But the MACDs are negative. So any push up on the 5 and the wow, look at this gold rally. Good Lord. 76 to gold just ran 30 points like nothing. Where's the silver? Silver, if you're still long here, I would be out. Look at silver, 80 points up. Wow. Patterns. Wait till these 15-minute time frames turn up right here, like this. Bada bing, bada boop, bada bop. Oh, this silver's got the kiss of death. This weekly in silver can even turn up here. Look at this. You're getting oversold into a positive MACD, big rising ADX, and monster buying pressure. Wow. S&Ps I'll be buying here 06 to 11. NASDAQ, I go 92 to 95.12. 1 minute time frame. Guy said to me today, Steve, you trade on a 1 minute time frame? If I said I'd be in Bellevue. Silver's getting deeply oversold here on the 15. Baba tanking? No, he did kind of, not like the way I did though. Can't look back, trade for a reach. Never look back on a trade. All right. Again, if you're long here on the silver, you could look to sell above 82.50 if you bought it down here. Got down to 82.13. I don't with the 4 hour. That's 240 minutes. Let me see if I could change this. How do you change the time frame? You don't look back. Don't look back. Take your profits and run, right? You take your profits and run. You got the long 20 points on the gold? Okay. I'm exhausted. 21 more minutes. All right, this silver is getting another push up. Gold getting another push up. These 15 should turn up here. The 1 hour. Where do you see the 1 hour? I don't see that. Take care, Khalid Brophy. How are you? SoFaX, Sofa FX. Aren't you from Brazil? You trade FX, right? You short the NASDAQ 25,934. I'd be careful. These 15-minute time frames are getting deeply oversold on the NASDAQ futures. I'd be very careful being short. Look at this. I'd be very careful. Brazil, fill the cooler. All right. Gold should get another push down here. Silver should get one more push. I'm pooped.
Same.
19 minutes. Well, I'm used to it, though. Again, everybody, for tomorrow, please go to MyFundedFutures at 10 a.m. There is a monster announcement. So please go to the MyFundedFutures TV on YouTube and watch. There is going to be a very, very, very big announcement. So be there, okay? Be there. S&Ps and NASDAQ should get one more push up here. What a bear flag on that pattern. When you see the MACD's negative like this on the 15-minute time frames right here, when the MACD's, and let me push this up here a bit. When you see the MACD's here, okay, negative above the pivot, and then the 5-minute reverses a sell and the MACD is negative above the pivot, you could take that short right there, which I know 25,952. $81.70. Okay. Well, the good thing about silver is you got the 30-minute time frame setting up here. Look. Oh, come on. This silver. 85. No candlesticks. I'd buy silver here if it gets down here, 81 to 81.75. Here we go. Look at this silver. S&Ps look to scale out between 10 and 12. NASDAQ, it's got up to 14, 15. Of course, silver. Look at this silver. This dropped $4. See if this so gold can get.
Long on gold right now.
Yeah. If the silver gets up to the 25 to 55, 60 range, you're getting deeply oversold here on this 15-minute time frame. Gold, if gold gets down to the 60 and a half, 75 and a half. Really should be pushing back up here on the silver off the 15s. There goes the silver. Come on, baby. 30. NASDAQ pushing up. Iceman, if you're long, I would hope you would have bought more on the way down. Again, the silver 30 up to 60, 65 exit longs. Damn this gold. Do you think anybody think that gold is going to hit the 44.50 this week again, or the lows are in for the week? Anybody think gold is going to make another test? Come on, silver. Come on, silver. Give me a 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 70 print. 44.50? I think you're right. All right, good job, Iceman. There goes the gold. Silver right back up. Gold. If you're long, look to sell above 79 on the gold. Wow, look at the silver. Look at the silver go. Look at that silver off that 15-minute time frame. Jennifer, get in there. Okay, before we start the raffle, is anybody new would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream? Please text me your full name and email, and I will send it to you. That's number one. Number two, it doesn't matter. Okay. Number two, again, tomorrow at 10 a.m., a monster announcement by MyFundedFutures, a monster announcement. Okay. So be there. If you want to go to MyFundedFutures YouTube, please go there and watch it. Okay. A very big announcement. All right. We got 1 minute to go. Jennifer, get in there. Jennifer, help me out. Where's my Jennifer? Let's see we're going to do the wheel here. Oh, no. All right. Let's do it. And here is the raffle. Number one. There goes the gold. There goes the silver. Good luck, everybody. What? 8M Luke. AITMLOUK. AITMLOUK. He's here. Thank you. 8 is here. Next. Thank you, Jennifer. Droid 384. Droid 384. TROYD 384. See, is he here? He's here. Next. Luco Cardoso 8828. Oh my God. You think he's Italian? Lucio Cardoso 8828. I can look for Jennifer. Lucio Cardoso 8828. Banned. Could be. Hold on. What's Jennifer texting me? He's there. Congratulations, Luis. Lucio. Fiber Spice God. Fiber Spice God. Fiber Spice. Oh, Fiber Spice. There goes the gold. There goes the silver. Fiber Spice. What a name. Fiber Spice Splice God. Is he here? That's 4. Good job. What? Ricky.Chely95 at Gmail. Ricky.Chely95 at gmail.com. Ricky.Chely95. Are you here? Going once, Ricky Chile 95 Gmail. Can't read it. Ricky Chile not here. Good. Look at the gold right back up off the 15s. Oh my God. Dan O 0486. Dan O 0486. Dan O 0486. Dan O, are you here? Going once, going twice. Next. Look at the gold rally. Prosperous WMN 888. Prosperous WMN 888. There goes the S&Ps and NASDAQ right back up. Prosperous WMN 888. Prosperous. Is he here? Thank you, Jennifer. Okay, thank you. Very good. I can't read this. Valentianestover. What the heck? I don't know. Let me try this. Valentinanesterova. Oh my God. VALENTYNA. She's here? All right, next. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Alexo 7317. Alexo 7317. Alexo, sorry. Look at the S&P and NASDAQ rally. Look at the silver and gold rally. Alexio 7317. Is he here? Good job. COM 4042. COM 4042. COM 4042. That's 7 so far. Is COM here? Oh, COM. Oh, COM. Jennifer's texting me. Wait. Is Jennifer texting me? Because I can't find them. Nope. COM 4042. Oh, you see her? That's 8. Good job. I almost said enough now. Okay. Good guy 1179. Good guy 1179. Look at the S&P and NASDAQ rally off the 15s. Good guy 1179. Good guy. Good guy 1179. Going once. Going twice. Next. All right. What the hell? ADZZYN1Z. See, that's the name I should ban, but I'm not going to because Jennifer, see here, Jennifer? ADZZYN1Z. Banned. Good guy, not here. All right. ADZZYN1Z. Sounds like a football play. All right. ADZZYN1Z on 3. ADZZYN1Z on 3. Next. Just another pickup guy. What kind of name is this? Just another pickup guy. Just another pickup guy. Congratulations. Is he here? Okay. Just another pickup guy. There goes the gold right back up. Look at the gold rally 30. Look at the silver rally. NASDAQ, S&P's off the 15s. Just another pickup guy. Next. Nice bear flag on the NASDAQ and S&Ps. K3N0Y. K3NR0Y. K3NOY. Next. Kenroy? That's how you say it. Zenith Futures. Zenith Futures. Zenith Futures. Jennifer, Zenith Futures. I need 2 more so I go to bed. I'm exhausted. Zenith Futures. Congratulations. That's 9. We got 1 more. Gold is short. What the hell is this? Jason Clemens, 8093. Jason Clemens, 8093. Jason Clemens, 8093. Is he here, Jason Clemens? Hey, he's here. Congratulations. All right. Okay, everybody. It was fun tonight. Again, if anybody wants to join my 5-day free trial, please text me at 914-500-7484. Also, please look at my podcast, The Bold, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. And I'm telling you now, all of you here, please listen to me carefully. Please be on the MyFundedFutures live stream tomorrow at 10 a.m. Okay, on MyFundedFutures TV, there is a special announcement. All right, special announcement. So go there, tune in, and listen up. All right, everybody. All right, so we had a great day here today. All right, great day. God bless you. Have a great night. As always, I'll see you tomorrow night. Thank you, Denny. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you, Billy, for helping out. And thank you, all of you, for being here. Okay? I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you did very well. God bless you. And, of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunt, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.